Hello my dear friends, welcome to the next video on my channel. In this video we'll see one more problem which is related to the projection of line. So in this problem you will see one more type of projection of line problem in which the details are given like this. A line AB 75 long is inclined at an angle of 35 degree to the VP. Its end point A is 20 mm above the HP and 15 mm in front of the VP. Planned length of the line is 50 mm. Draw the projection of the line assuming it to be in the first quadrant. So this is the problem. The difference in the earlier problems and this problem is that in this problem the something different is given. So we need to first of all analyze this problem. So first of all we'll see what is given in this problem. So a line AB 75 long means what? This is the true length of the line. So this is the true length of the line. So it is the true length. It is 75 mm. Then it is inclined at an angle of 35 degree to the VP. So it means the inclination of the line is 35 degree with the VP. With the VP means that is we denote as a phi, and phi is equal to 35 degree, and the inclination with the VP that we plot in the top view, and on the inclination it is the true inclination. That's why on this we plot the true length of the line. Then the location of point A is given, that is end point A is 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So I can write it like this: A point is 20 mm above the HP and 15 mm in front of the VP. This is the location of point A. Then the next, planned length of the line is 50 mm. Planned length means what? It is the top view length. So the top view length is given, that is the top view length is equal to 50 mm. So this is the length, another length is given. So how to solve this problem? So for this problem, to solve this problem, first of all we need to locate the point A in this. So first of all we locate point A. So first of all we draw the XY line here. Then after drawing this XY line, we locate the point A here. This is the XY line. Locate the point A, which is 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of PP. Above HP means what? Its front view is above XY line by 20 mm. So from here, I will plot 20 mm above XY line and 15 mm in front of PP means its top view is below XY line by 15 mm. So this is the front view of A. So I denote this point as A dash, and this is the top view that I denote as a point A. Then after that, locating this point A, another parameter that we have, that is the inclination of the line with the VP is 35 degree. So this inclination is 35 degree with the VP, and it is given that assuming the line is in the first quadrant. First quadrant means what? The front view of the line is above XY line, the top view of the line is below XY line. So we plot the inclination of the line 35 degree with the VP, that in the top view. So here I will draw a small horizontal line just for the reference only. I will draw a small horizontal line, and then as the inclination is 35 degree here, I will put the protractor like this and mark the angle on this as a 35 degree angle. Then we draw this line, 35 degree line, and we know that as this is a true length, this angle is 35 degree. As this is the 35 degree is the true angle, so we have to plot the true length on this. So on this line we plot the true length 75 mm. This is the true length of the line, and then we know that as this is the true length, we have remain this as a thin line, and we denote this point as the B1 point. B1 point, and we transfer this true length in the front view. To draw the front view, we shift this B1 point in the front view vertically up to the horizontal of A dash. So I will project this up to the horizontal of A dash here. So I will draw here one horizontal line through A dash, which will meet with the projector of B, and that will meet here. So this point is the, as this is the B1 point, this point will denote as a B1 dash. This is the B1 dash. So this is the first step is completed. That is, angle is 35 degree. We plot the A point first, then we plot the inclination of the line 35 degree with the VP, then we plot the true length of that, and then we draw its front view horizontal, considering that the line is inclined to VP parallel to line is inclined to VP parallel to HP, so you will get the horizontal line here. Then another aspect is given, that is a plan of the length. Plan length of the line is 50 mm. Plan length means top view length. So top view length is 50 mm. So here I will draw one locus line of B, because this is the top view. So we draw the here the locus line of B. So this is the locus of B here, and on this we plot the 50 mm length, because the plan length is given 50 mm. So we will plot 50 mm length on this. So I will take the 50 mm distance in the compass like this. 50 mm distance in the compass. See, this is the 50 mm distance in the compass like this, and put compass point on A and cut this line. Cut the locus of B. So wherever this arc intersect with the locus, that is the first point, that is the B, which is our actual top view. So this is the top view of this line. This is the top view of the line. Now we know that this top view is going to meet, this B is going to meet with the B dash in the front view. So we'll project this B in the front view like this. Take care while projecting this, the projector should perpendicular to the XY line. So project this up to here. This is the XY axis. Then the apparent length in the front view, this is the A dash B1 dash, this is the apparent length in the front view. That length we are going to project on this vertical projector. So we'll take the A dash B1 dash in the compass like this, and then I will draw the arc. We draw the arc like this. So wherever this arc intersect with the vertical projector width of the B, that is our B dash point. This is the B dash point, which is the actual front view of this line. So like this, our problem is complete here. So see, remember in this thing, that is the front view of B dash and the top view of B, that will intersect. Front view and the top view of the B will vertically projector will match with each other, and the true length is firstly we transfer vertically and then we rotate it to meet with the B dash, and like this. So this is the answer for this question. So I think you understand this problem. So go through this. If you have any doubt, please message me on the below link, and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and I will upload another problem on this projection of line. Thank you very much.